Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Thanks for tuning in. Yes, ladies, today we are in for another valuable video. Thin hair. Yes, thin hair is more than just thin hair loss. It's a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, causing emotional distress and impacting self-esteem. For those experiencing it, the journey can be really tough, but understanding the condition and exploring available options can offer hope and support. Just like my client here, look at these beautiful go-go curls that I installed for her. Her thin hair is no more. I fixed that for her. No one will ever know that she had any thin hair anywhere. So, as always, I start off by moisturizing my client's hair with our G&G hair growth butter, and I will later be moisturizing it with our G&G hair growth oil. Yes, you know our hair growth products are packed with 100% organic oils to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is packed with tea tree oil, almond oil, castor oil, peppermint oil, black seed oil, grapeseed oil, just to name a few. And as you can see here, I've completed her braid pattern and I have been moisturizing her hair with our G&G hair growth oil. Yes, I want to make sure that her hair is well hydrated and well moisturized before I start her go-go curl install. Yes, ladies, dealing with thin hair isn't just about the physical appearance, it's also about the emotional effects. Many people face anxiety, depression, and a significant blow to their confidence. Sometimes their daily activity becomes challenging, and your social interactions can also feel overwhelming. The emotional, trauma of dealing with thin hair can also go unspoken. And yes, ladies, here it is. These are the go-go curls. They are 12 inches long. She has a color 1B, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I am going to start installing, and these go-go curls by Freetress are absolutely fantastic to work with. They are very easy to install, and as you can see here, I've already started crocheting them in. I am telling you, ladies, these curls are absolutely gorgeous. Dealing with thin hair is also a significant concern because hair thinning can occur suddenly or gradually. It might start off with a few strands and on the scalp, and then more patchy losses in certain areas. It can progress to more extensive thinning as well. This physical change can be distressing, affecting how individuals perceive themselves and interact with the outside world. Dealing with thin hair can disrupt your daily life in ways people might not expect. Simple tasks like styling your hair or going out in public can become very frustrating, especially when you can still see all those thin areas. So as you can see here, ladies, I am installing those crochet curls more so on the net than I am on her natural hair. Why? Because I want to reduce as much weight on her natural hair as possible. I want to do as less pulling on her natural hair as possible. So I am installing these go-go curls on the net and not her natural hair. And as you can see here at the top, I am doing the knotless braid method because I want to reduce being able to see those knots so that this can look as natural as possible. And that's what we want, ladies. We want our style to look as natural as possible because that is what we are always going for. And as we know, thin hair can just be so daunting sometimes because there's like a real need for awareness and support. And we can help by talking about it openly. We can form communities that encourage those that are affected with thinning hair so that they don't feel alone. We need to have as many resources for emotional and for medical, and just for that inner strength that some people need when they're dealing with thin hair and alopecia and hair loss. It's just super important. So as you can see here, again, I am doing that knotless method. So once I bring the crochet curls through, I am bringing only one side. As you can see here, one side of the curls are coming through, and then I pull it nice and tight. One thing about these curls is once that knotless knot is in there, you do not have to worry about these curls unraveling. So if you have not tried these go-go curls before, I suggest that you give them a try, especially if you have thin hair. As you can see, I did install a crochet net on her hair after I finished her braid pattern, and I moisturized and hydrated her hair really good. I put this net on there because I want to protect her natural hair, and this also gives me a way to make sure that this style is nice and full for her. We want to make sure that it is full so that if she turns her head, if she bends over, if she turns any kind of way, all areas of her hair will be covered and no one will ever know that she had any thinning hair anywhere. And that is super important. So again, there is a great need to have as many support groups for people who have thin hair, who are suffering from alopecia and hair loss as well. And I just want to do all that I can do to help my clients out and let them know that even though they have thin hair, even though they have maybe hair loss or alopecia, even severe alopecia, there is hope. There are many styles that you can still wear where no one will ever know that you have any hair condition. And that's absolutely important for those who are dealing with this, with thin hair and hair loss and alopecia, because sometimes they feel like they're alone and that they cannot wear any styles, that they have to be stuck with wearing wigs and scarves and hats, and that they have to pass on different events and parties and social gatherings and concerts and stuff. I have met so many clients who have come in who have been doing just that, basically just staying home and not participating in any family gatherings or anything. Why? Because of their hair, because they feel self-conscious, because they feel ashamed, because they feel just, alone or outsourced. So again, there are many beautiful styles that you can still wear even though you may have some hair issues. And that is my job. That's what I love to do. This is my calling, and I work hard for my clients. I am always trying to come up with new techniques and methods that I can do to help those who are suffering from thinning hair and hair loss and alopecia and damaged hair. I have some clients who've come in who've had long, thick, pretty hair all their lives, and all of a sudden their hair started thinning and it just coming out in certain areas. So please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please tap that bell so that you do not miss any of my new videos, as I upload new videos every single week. And oh my gosh, look at these go-go curls. They came out absolutely gorgeous. I love them, and my client is gonna love them too. Look how full this looks. It is so nice and full. She does want it to be trimmed a little bit because she doesn't want it to be long. So I am trimming it for her, ladies, and you are going to be seeing the completed style in just a moment. Yes, ladies, again, you can wear beautiful styles, so please don't give up on your hair. Don't give up on yourself. You just need to find the right stylist that can help you achieve the beautiful styles that you want. Again, continue to keep watching so that you can see the end results of this beautiful style. Again, I'm just trimming the back, and I'm going to trim the front for her to her desired length. Again, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please do not forget to tap that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, because again, I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. West Coast finest hair and dance. Tees, braids, and weaves.